Try that one further back. You can see it's not closing, eh? Needs a good good lube. Sarah, don't even take it down anymore. Just keep it holding up and just put your hand right over. Keep your aim if you can. Just like that, yeah.
And I can't see if it comes out.
Okay, love, do your thing, but I was just figuring. Pretty good. So we got Sarah's Marlin 22 here. It's got no gun oil on it, and I think I got the wrong gun oil previously, so check out this action here. Try it again. Look how slow it is.
Oh, that's loosening up.
I'm getting it better, yeah.
It's so pretty slow.